Hi, good day, Ma'am May Pascua. Can you tell me about yourself?
I'm May Subala Pascua from Philippines, 35 years old, married. I have two kids, a boy and a girl, 15 and 14 years old.
All right, thank you. Then can you please tell me your educational background?
Uh, I finished a vocational course, caregiving, and undergrad of nursing.
All right, good. And then where do you live?
I live in La Union, Philippines.
Okay, then what is your marital status? Are you single or married?
I am married.
Okay, and then do you have any brothers or sisters?
I have three brothers and two sisters, ma'am.
Okay, so how would you describe yourself?
I am trustworthy, honest, loyal.
Okay, so why do you want to apply abroad?
I want to earn money, help my family, and give my children a better life.
Okay, so do you have any work experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in which country?
Taiwan.
All right. And then what is your job position in Taiwan?
I take care of a baby in 1 year, and then 3 years is I take good care of elderly.
All right. So did you finish your contract in Taiwan?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any work experience locally here in Philippines?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
I I work as a housekeeping in a hotel.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So did you finish your contract here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And then are you willing to take care of newborn baby or elderly person abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how would you take care of naughty children or children with temper tantrums?
First, I stay calm and then talk to them and play with them.
Okay. Then how about if the newborn is baby crying at night?
I will check if the baby is hungry, or I check their temperature. They have a fever.
All right. And then what will you do if you become homesick?
I will make myself busy.
Okay. And then are you scared of dogs and cats?
No.
Okay. So how do you describe your cooking skills?
I can cook uh some dishes in like adobo, sinigang.
Okay. So are you willing to learn new dishes abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So do you have any food allergy?
No.
Okay. So do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you drink alcohol?
No.
How about smoking?
No.
Do you have any body tattoo?
No.
Do you have any history of surgery or serious sickness in the past?
I have surgery, but almost 10 years ago.
Okay, so what kind of surgery?
Appendicitis
All right.
and then
And then,
ectopic, ma'am.
okay. And then lastly, Mom May, what is your final message to your future employer abroad?
Hi, ma'am and sir. I am May Pasqua. I hope you will hire me. I am loving mother, honest and loyal and trustworthy. I will finish my contract in 2 years. Have a good day. Thank you.